Hi everyone, welcome back. I am going huge today. I'm going big in purples. So I've had a lot of purple requests lately on my channel. So I am making this painting for Mardi Gras. Hopefully it comes out good. But I am doing a 48 inch by 48 inch, so 4 foot by 4 foot. We are going to have a guest, my husband, to help me tilt this one out. I have gone ahead and I am going to paint my sides really quick, but I have gone ahead and leveled off the canvas and it will dry in this space. And then I have tightened my canvas as well. You can hear the drum sound there. So I'm going to paint my sides and then I am going to go ahead and get started. I think I'm going to ribbon pour this one. I have these huge containers of paint here. And then I have some extra to go around the edges and wish me luck. I'm gonna get started. Let's paint. All right, so I've got my edges painted. I am ready to go. I have mixed up, I didn't actually mix this up. I already had a lot of these already mixed, so I'm using up what's on my table. I am getting to slim pickings, so it is gonna be time for me. I have paint already all over me. It is gonna be time for me to do another mixing. But I thought maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll go live or maybe I'll make a video of that. I've made one other video. If y'all would like to see that whole process, just let me know. But I am going to start here. So, oh my gosh, I'm pouring with my left hand. That never goes well. I am just going to ribbon pour these out. I'm gonna stay kind of close to the center for now. Oh, I've got a lot of copper coming through here. Where are my other colors? Okay, there's my purple. My light blue should be coming up in here too. There's a lot of purple. I love how the colors blend together when I pour them out of the, oh, I will spill that, out of the containers. So yes, so let me know if you want a video on that. I will tell you my colors really quick. So I have a bronze color. I thought that would kind of warm this up just a little bit. I also have all shades of purple. I have ultramarine violet. I have blue violet. I have a periwinkle color that I made out of a violet and a sky blue light. And then I have a green that I scraped off my table. It's this beautiful, like dark turquoisey emerald, not emerald, phthalo type green. And then I have one other type of purple in there that I made. So there's tons of purples in this one. I had some air bubbles. I want to get those out now before I pour this other. Make sure not to light my canvas on fire. Okay, phew. I am tired already. Okay, now we're gonna come with this next one. More purple here. I want to try to break up a little bit of that. Oh, that is so pretty. I'm going to try to break up a little bit of the copper, or the bronze, with the other colors, and that can be my outside. I think I'm going to come around to this side for the rest of it. Because there's more, there's my colors. Okay, I am hoping that that is enough paint. I am thinking that it should be. I'm gonna give this one more torch and then we'll start with the swipes. I do think I'm gonna swipe with black on this one. I want it to be kind of a little bit darker. I am gonna stretch this just the tiniest bit already forward. And oh my gosh, that is so heavy. Oh my gosh, that's why I need my husband to help me with these. Okay, time to swipe. I have not gone and gotten a larger swipe tool yet, but I actually like on these big ones when the lacing stretches out a bit. So I'm gonna swipe on the inside so that it's smaller. Oh gosh, that is so pretty. And then stretch it out so that the lacing gets and the cells get larger and grow. But I am going to go look. I've been trying not to purchase anything. You can even see on my shelves, like I don't have any more purple there, except this is like the end of a jug here. I'm trying to get rid of and use up as many colors as possible. And if I need a purple, I will just mix a magenta and a blue together to get one. And then I'm trying to use up my Creative Inspirations buckets on the end. I got rid of 4 of those when I was making all these paintings. So using up the paints. But I will try to look and see if I can find a new trowel. Okay, so I do think I want one. Swipe through there. That will come off the end most likely, but just in case. Oh, I feel like everything is going to get ruined over here. It's always what happens when I make these big paintings. There is paint everywhere. Okay, all right. I'm really liking this just kind of how it is. But I'm going to keep swiping. I'm going to come around to that side and swipe. Oh, I love that corner up there. I think I want to leave some big blocks of the really pretty, like ribboned. When I've done these before, I've done them as ring pours, but I actually really love just the soothing, soft kind of linear lines. Not really linear, but the lines that are in there. I think it gives it a nice motion. Okay, here I come. I'm not in love with that one where I switched directions right there, but I think it might work out okay. If not, I'll see if I can tilt it off that upper side. So I think I just want one more swipe up there in that corner, and I think I'm done. Until I start stretching it out and see if I need it in any more places. Okay. One more up here. I need to make a decision. Do I? No, I made the decision as I was swiping, not going to cross any of those over. That swipe down there, when the blue highlights the whole thing up, it is gorgeous. I've got a little streak of it there. It's got a lot of copper in it. I'm really happy. All right, whew. I'm gonna give it one more torch and then I'm gonna call my husband out and we are going to stretch this one out. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Come on in. What do you think so far?
Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, I love the purple. Yeah, that's really nice.
Purple, yes.
Yeah. Purples and stuff, yep.
Do you know any other colors that are in there?
Yeah.
Do you know what that color is?
It's like a bronze rust.
Wow, yeah, you got it, bronze. Yes. Good job. That's awesome.
That's like a rust color.
Yeah, rust. Yeah. I thought you were going to say peanut butter again.
No.
But you say that for gold.
Yeah, no, that's rust.
All right. Okay, so we're going to tilt this out the way that we used to do. Do you remember?
Okay. Yeah, just let me know.
Here, come over here. So
No,
people, you want to say hi?
Hey.
It's that camera right there.
Okay.
You know, people have been asking you as well for another voiceover video.
Okay.
So I have one. Are you ready?
It's coming soon.
Okay, good. All right, you want to get on that side? I'll go on this side over here. Here, come around this way, babe, so that you won't go in front of the cameras.
Okay.
All right, you ready? We're going to go to your side first, your left side first.
Left side what?
Right down here. Yep.
Okay.
Drop your left hand some. We want to cover that corner first before. Drop your left hand. Good. Your
Okay.
face.
No, it's fine.
Your face. Okay, that part's good. That part's good. Okay, so you're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna come around to this side over here.
You want to go on that side?
You go back here in this corner.
Like this.
It doesn't matter. Don't be stressed
what are you
out.
doing?
Lift up, and you're gonna come down to my corner. Lift up, a lot up. Oh, hold on, go back. Okay, lift up. Lift, yep. Good, good. All the way over. Okay, back up, back up. No, 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 drop your side. Good job, good job, good job. Okay, good. Now you'll go back to the corner where you started, and we're gonna go down to this corner. So you'll lift up on that corner.
What'll do?
Put your hand just like this.
Like this?
Yep.
And then go.
Yep,
And
exactly.
lift on mine?
Yep,
Okay.
exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Okay, we'll move it up here a little bit so we can get over the table. Okay, lift up high. Keep going, keep going. Lift up, lift up, lift up. Okay, bring it back. Great job, great job. Is it back on the stands?
Is that gonna?
Ooh, that is pretty.
Is that? It feels like it's gonna drop right here. So we go that way.
No, that's good.
Okay,
You're
that's
so nervous. Yeah. Okay, you're gonna do. We'll just keep doing that because that's easier. You'll just go up and I'll go down. You want to do this side?
Yeah. Where do you want to go?
So go to that corner over there, and we'll lift
Lift up.
to this side.
Lift up.
Yep.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna shift it a little bit. You just keep lifting up. Keep lifting. Keep lifting. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All the way up. You got it, babe. All the way up. It's just got to reach that side right there. Okay, perfect. Drop it on down. Oh, it got all over my feet. Is it on the stands?
Yes. I mean, is it balanced?
Yeah. Please.
I didn't get any paint on myself.
None? Come around here. Show everybody. You're always proud of that because I'm so messy.
No paint, just right here. Okay, perfect.
All right. Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay, my job's done.
Yeah, I'm gonna work a little bit more. What do you think of the colors?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Somebody purple will like this, right?
Yeah, yeah. Someone likes Prince.
Purple Rain? Maybe that's what I should title this one.
Well, Prince always dressed in purple.
Oh.
Yeah, he had a purple car, a purple motorcycle.
A purple. Say that 3 times fast.
Purple.
Purple motor.
Purple Prince motorcycle.
Okay. All right, babe. Thank you. All right. So I like it. There's a few jagged edges and a few things that I'm gonna do. He did so good, right? I feel like every time we do it, it gets better and better. But that was I have it all over my feet. I don't know how he doesn't get anything on him. That was better to have him tilt the one side up and me to kind of guide it where I want. So that worked out really well. I have the bronze going up towards that corner up there. I've got the pops of blue running through it. Got my lacing. It's very organic. I've got my curlicues. I'm happy. I'll show you. There's no real way to get the entire thing in, so you'll just have to wait until it's like so big and there's always a glare until it dries, and then I'll show you at the end of the video as usual. But here are some of the details. This one, they're always tough. I shouldn't say this one was tougher than I imagined because big canvases are always tough. Oh, that section up there is so pretty. But it's just really organic, I feel. All right, let's see how it dries. All right, here she is. I think it's really pretty. It is super purple, which I really like. I think the light blue gives it some pretty highlights. I think the river of bronze that's running through it is really pretty. And then it's so big on the, and then I'll take you in a little bit. So these shimmer so much. The metallic is like laying on top, but you can see there's like a little bit of the green. It's almost like highlighted and the color just kind of sat on top of it. But there's the beautiful lacing, and it really truly shines. Very, very pretty in the light. Here, I'll just start at this corner and send you on around. And it ended up almost like a gradient, even though I didn't mean to, because the more reddish purples are on the bottom. And then this that looks black is like a blue violet. And then it goes to like the lighter blue up top. But I definitely think the motion in this one is very pretty. All right, let me take you back again so that you can see the whole thing. There you go. Really pretty motion in this one. All right, thanks everybody for watching, and thank you to my husband for helping. He did such a good job. All right, happy painting. Bye.